Introducing iReloaderEZ, the most comprehensive fare calculator for the MetroCard Pay-Per-Ride cards. Now in this section, zooming in, I'll show you the fare types. You have regular, reduced fare, path train fare, and the express bus fares. This section here is where you calculate the rides. It has a handy little scroll wheel that gives you any amount of rides you want. Basically, for regular fare, you can get up to 44 rides because the card will only accept $100 maximum. But for reduced fare, depending on what you have, if you have any balance on the card, you can go up to 90. The ride section, the fare type section. This section down here is the card balance section. Here you determine, if you have anything on your card, what that amount is. So let's say I had $8.02. Type that in, for example. And let's say I knew that I or myself in a group needed 10 rides. Type that right up here. Now, the third section is the reload section. Right here, all you have to do is press reload. It'll calculate what you need to add to the card. So I happen to have $8.02 on this card. Hit reload, boom, it's asking me to put $13.55. Here is a remainder. And here is the bonus that the MTA automatically calculates to give to you in this case. So the remainder means basically when you put your card into refill in the machines, it works in 5-cent increments. So technically speaking, all you would really have to pay is $13.54, but because of the rounding up, it asks for $13.55, and it's just letting you know down here that there's 1 cent left over. So once you've completed the 10 rides, you'll still have 1 penny left over. So alright, fine, let's say we've done that. Clear. This C down here will clear everything, clear all the windows. Alright, next time let's say I have 1 penny on the card. 0.01, let's say I want 4 rides. Okay, it's telling me to please add $9. Now, this is because, as you know, for a regular ride, which by the way, if I click on here, shows you right down here, regular ride, the fare is $2.25. And because it's 4 rides, it's still asking for 9, not $8.99, because again the machine works in 5-cent increments. So there you are, you have another penny left over. And no bonus because the bonus starts working and calculating at $10. Alright, so
1 dime, 10 cents.
5 rides. Now we're kicking into the bonus. It wants $10.45, which is really $10.42, with 3 cents left over. MTA is going to give me 73 cents toward the cause. So all I have to pay is $10.45. This is convenient whether you're, in a hurry or with a group and you want to calculate how many rides you need. Let's say I have 4 people, and we know that on today's excursion day we're going to be doing 4 different trips. So we know that 4 times 4 is 16. It'll get us downtown to World Trade Center, up to Midtown to Central Park, and maybe check over the Apple Store. And then back to the hotel, and then off to Grand Central in the morning. So let's say we're in a hurry and we want to just get this done really quickly. One of the benefits of
the Pay-Per-Ride MetroCard,
it allows you to do 4 swipes per card per ride, which is convenient. If you have 4 people, you can use the card, swipe, 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 all 4 people go. And in this case, since I have 16 rides, each of the 4 trips we take together will all go through together. So, 16 regular fare, reload. Alright, it's going to want $33.70, so technically $33.66 with 4 cents left over. MTA kicks in $2.36 in the bonus. Clear. Okay, also down here, just want to point out another section. These are MTA links. This takes you to the MTA homepage, schedules, fares, and if there are any advisories. This separate button is just a convenient, quick little page that shows you some of the card facts for the MetroCard Pay-Per-Ride card. So, for example, click on Home. This web application takes you directly to the MTA site. Homepage. Schedules. Fares. And advisories. And there you have it. This comprehensive calculator will calculate whether you want the regular fare, reduced fare, path fare, and express bus. Thank you very much. At present, the iReloaderEZ works as a web-based application that you can immediately use right now. In the future, this is going to be an iPod, iPhone, iPad, and Android-based, Apple iOS, and Android-based smartphone portable application. Handy right in your hand.